Hey everyone. So, this is a little bit different than street side scrapping. I got busted back in January getting into a dumpster. Got told I can't dumpster dive in that town anymore. Okay. Didn't realize that also pertained to scrapping. So I got busted scrapping a couple weeks ago. Got a $50 fine. So, if there's a will, there's a way. There's loopholes. There's ways to still do it. But it cuts down on my ability to record. Because I'm doing pickups. I am still scrapping, but in only certain towns, which means less curbside scrap videos. Yesterday I made a post saying I'd do pickups, and I got bombarded. Guess it's the Labor Day weekend, 3-day weekend. Everyone's cleaning things out. Everyone had stuff to get rid of. I still have more pickups that I don't even have at my house to go get, but I'm currently getting everything together to start bringing it to the scrapyard because they're open today, and I wanted to at least show you what I got from those pickups. It was crazy. I actually had to turn some away because I just didn't have the time or the space to put all that stuff. So, I got my first load loaded up. I'm going to turn you around. First load is loaded up. As you can see, we got a fridge, a swing, there's a bike frame in there. This is pretty much a full load because I'm not going to try to rock this up on my own. Getting it in there is hard enough. But then we got all this. Got some aluminum screens with the frame. We got a stove, a dryer. You can see back here a couple grills. And then we got a whole line of refrigerators. 3 more fridges there. There's another charcoal grill. The rest of the frame there. And then there's all this stuff up here. We got all this that's sitting up here. Some more miscellaneous metal bed frames. We got this amazing thing. Solid brass. Wind chimes, which are either brass or aluminum. I don't know. Usually it's aluminum. So that's probably aluminum. That's aluminum. Stainless steel. So we got a nice little mixture of things. There's some more metal right here that goes on back. So I got a couple trips to do today going to the scrapyard. I'll record the offload, and I've had the request to see what I make. So let's see what we make today off of all this. Prices are down. They went down a lot, which is unfortunate, but we're gonna make do. Let's see what we can get today. Let's scrap on. there we go. Got our running totals. There's each load. I had to keep a running total. There's that. There's all the small odds and ends that were brought in with the total. And total I brought in today, 181. That was crazy, guys. I'm exhausted. I'm done for the day. Stay blessed. Stay blessed.